almost alluded to it. I was just wanting to understand from you if there is increasing feminization of agriculture. What do you see as implications, and what are some of the things that will need special attention? And if actually increasing feminization, it's really relevant in today's context or not, or is it a very kind of small and incidental kind of development?
No, I think feminization or women's role in agriculture has always been very relevant, and I think it needs much more attention. It is a fact, and women's role in agriculture is now sort of going beyond just the role of a farm labor, so to say, but also as and in the role of the decision makers in the farms in terms of what inputs to grow and things like that. And this has happened in many countries around the world, where the off-farm opportunities, especially for men, increases. Agriculture is becomes a woman sort of a job in some sense, right? So that definitely is increasing. The thing that needs a lot more attention is, in light of the shifts that we spoke about earlier, in light of the shift from production to profitability, in light of the shifts to farmers' income and the focus on farmers' income, it is very, very important to look at what are the barriers of a woman's farm income, right? And these barriers are many. For example, we know that a woman's ability to sort of have the market advantage is sometimes less. So basically, in many states, we've seen that the same commodity, if a man takes it to the market and a woman takes it to the market, the woman often realizes less prices, right? So there are those market related barriers. There are production related barriers, right? There was a science paper done a couple of years ago which said when a woman farms versus the men farms, the productivity of a farm can be as less as about 20% when it is a woman-led production system. So there are production related barrier, and there are many, but let me point out the third barrier, which is the knowledge related. One of the very important input in agriculture is not just seeds and fertilizer, but the farmer's knowledge, which is done through various extension systems and so forth. And access to knowledge to a woman farmer is much less than access to knowledge to a men farmer. And therefore there are at all these major points, there are some major barriers which needs to be bridged. And therefore I think it definitely remains extremely relevant, and it needs a lot of attention from a large number of stakeholders, of course, policy and so forth, but at the same time, also, sort of private sector partnership into this whole thing will be very, very important.